Morning everyone. As you can see beside me here is the leaf spring mount, and let's look at what I've done so far to it to try to make it unstuck. Now, as you can see, I've cut it every which way there and greasing it up. Hi there everyone. So, made a lot of progress. I tell ya, we're making the progress happen. Telling you guys, motivational force is one of the great things in this world that we have, is the ability to motivate yourself to do the right things. Now this may seem ridiculous, but to have the motivation and will is the thing that means the most in this world. Now, if you're ever feeling down, just remember there's a motivational force within you. Lefty-loosey, lefty-loosey. And that's all it really takes. Never forget that there is a motivational force in this world. Lefty-loosey. Lefty-loosey. I'm telling you. Some people would have said, oh, that's just some rusted out hanger. Why do you want it? And I say, because a motivational force is within me, and I will get this loose. And there is no reason why it can't become true. Because even though it may look grim, as long as you have hope, the right things will happen. Just a quick little recap. So, after cutting it both down the middle and relieving it all the way around, as you can kind of see there, I did that with a multi-tool. And then basically, once it started popping, then I took this here chisel and just, as Bob Ross would say, beat the devil out of it on either side here using handy dandy ball peen. And yeah, from there it just keep beating until it starts moving, essentially. But you want to keep it so that you're going lefty-loosey, and then it just pop. So yeah, best of luck to y'all out there who are dealing with similar, you know, hanging out in the back 40 with here trusty bracket. And yeah, I'm hoping that I can get the rest of all of this mess untangled. And yeah, so there she blows. Rusted nut has been blown. And that there, folks, is one way to bust even the most rusted nut. Just a little bit of motivational force. Thanks for watching.